Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp soup dumplings. We will go through each crucial step, from preparing the rich, savory soup jelly to crafting the delicate wrappers and the succulent shrimp filling. You will learn the secrets to achieving that burst of flavorful broth with every bite. Get ready to impress your friends and family with these amazing culinary creations, a true labor of love that is incredibly rewarding. The heart of any soup dumpling is its incredible savory soup. To achieve this, we first create an aspic. Start by simmering about 2 pounds of chicken or pork bones with aromatics like a 2-inch piece of ginger and 3 green onions for several hours. Strain the broth, season it, and then chill it for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight until it becomes a firm jelly. This solidifies the soup, allowing it to be encased within the dumpling. Now let's prepare the delicious filling and the delicate wrappers. For the filling, mix about 1 pound of finely minced shrimp with half a pound of ground pork, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and a dash of soy sauce. For the wrappers, use a simple dough of flour and water, rolled very thin, about 1 millimeter thick. Each wrapper should be approximately 3 inches in diameter. Carefully place a small spoonful of the chilled aspic, and then the shrimp filling onto the center of each wrapper. The final steps involve expertly folding and steaming your dumplings. Gently gather the edges of the wrapper, creating about 12 to 15 small pleats to seal the dumpling tightly, ensuring no soup escapes. Place the folded dumplings into a steamer basket lined with parchment paper, leaving about 1 inch of space between each. Steam them over high heat for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, until the wrappers become translucent and the filling is cooked through. Serve immediately with a dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.